everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you one of the coolest features of Tableau, dynamic zone visibility. This feature lets you swap worksheets inside a dashboard while keeping all your filters, legends and parameters perfectly intact. If you are even struggle to trying to swap chart before this feature existed, you know how tricky that was. But now it's very easy. Let's jump right in. Okay, first, we'll create our worksheets. First, we'll create a map showing profit by state. Worksheet, we drag country region to the filter shelf and filters to US only. Okay. Drag country or region to the detail shelf. Now double click state to bring it into the view. Drag profit to the color shelf. Now I'll clear the visual a little bit. Just go to the format and turn off row divider and column divider. Okay. Change the name profit by state. Okay. Build the second worksheet. Create another sheet. Now drag subcategory to the row shelf and profit to the column shelf. Sort the bars. Then add profit to the color. I will change this sum of profit less than 0. Enter. Now clean up the visual a little bit. Go to the format. Turn off zero line. Turn off axis ruler. Goes to the column. Turn off the grid line. And also uncheck the show header. And also hide the fill. Okay. Go to the entire view. Okay. Now change the name profit by subcategory. Okay. We'll keep it simple. Just two worksheets. Now set up our dashboard. Change to the fixed size. Change the width to 1000 and height 720. Okay. First, we'll drag a vertical container. Place the title. Tableau dynamic zone visibility chart swapping. Okay. Now drag another vertical container. This is where our charts will go. Any worksheets we want to swap must be inside the same container. Okay. So drag our worksheets profit by state. Just close this and then profit by subcategory in the same container. Just close this. Okay. Now, for dynamic zone visibility, we need to create a parameter and which we can use as our toggle. So let's create our parameter. Go to the sheet, create parameter. Okay, name p dot swap chart. Okay, data types integer, allowable values list. We'll give value 1 for our profit by state and 2 for profit by subcategory. To make each chart appear or disappear, we need a Boolean field. Okay. And we need two Boolean fields for two worksheet. So create the first field for profit by state chart. So we'll give it a name, profit by state visibility. So the logic is when the parameter value equals to 1, then profit by state will appear. Now we'll duplicate this, edit these things for profit by subcategory. So when parameter value equals to 2, then the second worksheet will appear. Now we have to set dynamic zone visibility. So we will go to the layout tab, select our worksheet, then check control visibility using values. Then we have to select our visibility field, profit by state visibility field. Okay. Then select the second worksheet, check the control visibility using values. Then we have to select profit by subcategory visibility field. Okay. Now, if we show our parameters here, subchart parameter, just make it floating. Okay. Remove this content. Okay. So now the value is profit by state. When we change profit by subcategory, this profit by subcategory chart will appear. Instead of placing this parameter directly on the dashboard, we will create buttons so that we can toggle between each chart. So for this, we will create a new sheet. Double click on the column shelf and write 1. That hit enter. Control click and we duplicate this button. We make it for entire view. We'll link this to measure to the parameter. So for this we need to create two calculated feeds. So first one is for profit by state chart. We'll give it value 1 because in the parameter profit by state is equal to 1. So we hit OK. Now we duplicate this field and edit it for subcategory. And change the value to 2. Now we'll give a name profit by state and the quotation mark and drag it to the level. Now we want this level inside the button. So to change the alignment to center middle, and we'll change the font size to 10 and change the font to Tableau bold. And we'll do the same thing for the second button. So We'll write profit by subcategory, enter, and drag it to the level and change the alignment, center, middle, change the font to Tableau bold and font size to 10. Okay, we'll go to the format and turn off row divider and column divider to none. Then we need to set none to 0 lines in rows, and also we have to turn off the grid lines, 0 lines. Also, we need to uncheck show header. Okay, I think it's good. Now we'll change the sheet to button. We'll turn off the tooltips. Now we will change this to fill to dimension. So select them and convert to dimension. Now in the profit by state marks card, we will drag the profit by state chart field, and profit by subcategory marks card will drag profit by subcategory to the details shelf. Okay, now we will add this button sheet to the dashboard. Okay, we'll drag button sheet here, uncheck title, edit height 60. Okay, now we will add an action to activate these two buttons. So we'll go to the dashboard, actions, add actions, change parameter. So we'll create first action for update to profit by state. Source sheet will be the buttons, target parameter p.swap.chart, source field. We need to add profit by state chart field. Aggregation none, hit OK. We'll need another action for profit by subcategory field. Update to profit by subcategory. Source sheet will be the buttons, target parameter p.swap.chart, source field, profit by subcategory chart field. Aggregation none, hit OK. Now we'll check it is working or not. Now we'll profit by subcategory, profit by state. So we'll remove these things. Now that's it.